So how you can use the Wireshark? You just open the Wireshark. All of you know about this operating system?
Yes, sir. I know basics of this operating system.
Now I am going to start the capturing over the ETS0, okay, and make it background. Now the sometime before I have captured the data using the STTP. If I want to use the data capture data particular like capture the data using the other tool also we can use. Also you can open the, I am going to stop this one first. जैसे ये ऑलरेडी फिल्टर्ड है डेटा, देखिए यहाँ पर ये सोर्स है 10.1.16.192 एंड डेस्टिनेशन. सो फर्स्ट टाइम इट इज सेंडिंग द सिन पैकेट, देन एक्नॉलेजमेंट पैकेट, sin and the acknowledge, synchronization, then acknowledge. Now it is sending the get request, means download this file index.html. We have used the wget, again we have used the refresh, then it is sending the communication, and it been in between they are sending the data and receiving the data. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So I have captured this file, or I have opened this file by using the Wireshark, and you can check out more. But right now I am going to capture the data on the SSH. So capturing the data on the SSH, same thing I need to do, but what I need to change?
Service, sir. Service.
Yeah, port number. We need to change only port number, because the same things will be happen like this one sudo, and I am going to change the port number, same destination, but port number will be SSH.
The port number is 22, but you are
Using, I can define the service, or I can define the port, both. This is no matter which is I am using. Now hit enter. So it is a start to listening the data and start to capturing the data. I will now browse the data. Anything, whatever I will do, it will not capture. It will capture only the SSH traffic. So how I can generate the SSH traffic? Simple, write the SSH space, give the username. I know the username, lamp @ the target machine 10.1.16.12, and hit enter. Now it will ask, are you want to continue? Yes. It will ask for the password. So I am entering here the password. Here it is. Now you can see I have connected with the using the SSH, and all the data has been captured. Okay, so now I am going to check who am I. Who am I is a command to checking your username in a Linux. I am a lamp user. Okay. So how I can check all the data is captured or not captured? So let me check here. I am going to stop this one by using the Control C again, and total the packet has been captured at 57. So how can I can use I can check using the TCP dump, -r and SSH and the txt. So it will read from the data. Another way I can use the Wireshark to open the same file. Click on the file, then open and select the file which you have generated, ssh.txt. Select this one and click on the open. So once you will click, the data has been opened. So what you can see, you have the communication, you have the key, you have enter the username password, but it will not be displayed. Reason? But we can only check out the source IP address and the destination IP address. You can check here. The source IP address and the destination IP address. Using the flags is a acknowledgement flag, sequence number. You can only check the headers. Only you can check the headers. You cannot check the payloads or you cannot check the data. Data means when you are entering the username and password, when the data is traveling and having the username and password, it will be considered the payload or the data. So next is I am going to capture the data of the ping. Ping means when I will ping the data, it will be captured. So how I can do it? I need to change something. I make the sudo command tcp dump and -i, interface is eth0 and -vv. Now I am using the protocol is a ICMP. We have described the TCP protocol, we have described the UDP protocol, we have discussed about the ICMP protocol as well. Yes or not? ICMP is like trace route using in a ping, right? So I am using the -w and going to be ping.txt, saving into this file. Okay, so what I need to do, I am going to on this machine and coming out by using the exit command, and here I am going to use the ping and -c. C means number of the count, how many time it will send the request. Count is a 5 and the target machine is 10.1.16.12. Okay, and hit enter. So it will send the 5 messages and come back on my machine, and here I am going to close this one, Control C, and here you can check out there is a 10 packets. 5 is a request, 5 is a reply. So if I want to open this file, I can open by using the simple command whatever I have run the previously and ping.txt. Okay, so same thing I can do in a Wireshark to open the file. For opening the file, I can use the file, then open, and here I will select the ping.ssh, ping.txt. So when I will open the png.txt, here is one filter is implemented, so I am going to remove this filter and now hit enter. So I will see total packets is a 10. One is a echo request, another reply, request and the reply, request and the reply. Okay, if you want to know more detail about this, so you can check here the Ethernet, you can check the Internet Protocol, IP version 4 having the source address and the destination address, and there is a Ethernet where is a destination MAC address and the source MAC address, destination MAC address and the source MAC address. Also having another information like having the flags, and here is a ICMP message, which type of the message it is. So you can see this is the ping and request. Ping request. There is a some checksum, there is a identifier, sequence number. Okay, and other there is a only here data. The size of the data is 48-bit and written in a hexadecimal value. But there is a not a specific type of the data. So do you understand how to capture the data and how to use the TCP dump and the Wireshark to capturing the data?